Learn HTML in one video. With this video tutorial, you won't be an expert, but you will understand the basic structure of an HTML and how you can create a small website using the different elements of the HTML. HTML language is used mainly for its content and structure. So for this video, we will use Notepad++, but you can use also Notepad, which is already available in Windows, or you can download Notepad++. So the HTML document itself begins with the HTML tags, and we have the start HTML tags and ends with the ends HTML tag. And the visible part of the HTML document is between the body. For the title, it will display on top in the title bar. This is the basic structure. So to start, we will start with the basic structure. So let's save it and we will put it index.html. So as you can see, the color of the Notepad++ for the tags has changed. So now in the body we will add a header. Normally in HTML we have different headings, and HTML headings are defined with the h1 to h6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, and it continue like this, so you can add h1, h2, h3. So in our case we have h1, and then p tag stands for paragraph, and I is italics. And B for bold. The text will be bold. And here it is. HTML with no content are called empty element. Normally, empty element does not have an end tag such as a BR, and the BR stands for break. Then I will reload the page. So now we will add a GIF. So to add an image, we will use the img tag. So img src, and I will put the location here. In the src, you can also put a URL, and the file name is animation.gif. Then I will reload the page, and here it is. But make sure the image is in the same folder as your HTML, else you need to copy the path of the image. Alt stands for alternative text. So src is source file, and we can also add the width or height in the image. A stands for link. So a href. In the href we can put our URL. So the link can be put here. Now we will see the image name. So we can see the image name here in the properties. As you can see, it is animation, and here you have the format, which is GIF. So animation.gif. Open other page. Now let's test it. F5 to refresh. So as you can see, unclick on the other page is open. So I have covered the basics of HTML in this tutorial. Use a basic tags, and I hope it helps you. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comments and share.